Hello, my Phonics stars. How are you today? Wow, I love hearing that. I missed you since our last class. Did you miss me too? Aw, I missed you even more. Now, let's see who remembers. What sounds did we learn yesterday? Yes, super readers! You remembered all three. Let's wake up our sounds with actions. Everyone, make your hand into a snake. Ready? Hiss with me. Sss. Oh, your snakes are louder than mine. Can I try again? Now, let's be ants. Crawl your fingers up your arm and say, ah, ah, ah. Oh no, an ant is on my arm. Quick, blow it away. And now, let's be clocks. Everyone tick-tock with your hands. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I think your clocks are faster than mine. Brilliant, my Phonics stars. You are ready for today's adventure. Guess what? We'll meet 3 new sounds today. Do you want to know what they are? Okay, but shh, it's a surprise. Let's go. Friends, I have a surprise sound for you today. Ready? Look at this letter on the screen. This is the letter P, but we don't say P, we say the sound P. Listen carefully. P, P, P. Excellent! It sounds just like popcorn popping. Let's try it together. Put your finger in front of your lips. Feel the little puff of air. P, P, P. Pretend you are a popcorn seed in a hot pan. First, stay very small. Now, pop and say P, P, P. Wow, my class turned into a popcorn machine. Let me tell you a quick popcorn story. One day, the pan got hot. The popcorn started to jump. Pop, 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 making the sound pa, pa, pa. Can you say it with me? Now, let's play sound detectives. Look at these pictures. Pen, pig, sun, apple. Which ones start with pa? Yes, super detectives. Let's clap for pen. P, p, pen. And pig, p, p, pig. That was funny. Time to write in the air. Stretch your finger up, start at the top, go down, back up, around. That makes P. Now whisper the sound while you trace. P, P, P. Fantastic! Who wants to try on their worksheet too? Friends, guess what? We're going to meet a brand new sound today. Ready? This is the letter I, but we don't call it I. Its sound is I. Listen. I, I, I. Good job! Do you know when we make this sound? Imagine a tiny insect lands on your hand. What do you say? Exactly! Let's all pretend. Shake your hand and say, I, I, I. Oh no, now it's on my nose. I, I, I. Where did it land on you? That's so funny. Let me tell you a little story. One day, an insect crawled up my hand. I said, I, I, I. Then it crawled up my neck. I said, I, I, I. And finally, it flew away. Can you say the story sound with me? I, I, I. Okay, detectives, let's play a sound hunt. I'll show you some pictures. Which ones start with I? Shout it out. Yes! Fantastic! Do tiger and sun start with I? You're right! Clever readers! High five! Everybody trace in the air with your finger and whisper the sound. I, I, I. Don't forget the dot. It's like a little insect sitting on top of the stick. Friends, I have a surprise sound for you today. Do you want to hear it? Listen carefully. What does it sound like? Exactly. The letter N says just like a noisy aeroplane flying in the sky. Can you stretch your arms like wings and fly with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, so many aeroplanes in the sky. Let me tell you a story. One day, a big noisy aeroplane flew over the house. It went, Can you all say it with me? Good. This aeroplane is so noisy, I think the whole town can hear us. Let's make it louder. Now, let's try a quiet aeroplane, like it's far away. Haha, amazing! Now, look at these pictures. I'll say the word, and you tell me if it starts with N. Ready? First one, net. Does it start with N? Correct. Net starts with N. Let's all say it. Net. Next one, nose. Does it start with N? Brilliant. Nose begins with N. Let's touch our nose and say nose. How about apple? Right. Apple starts with A, not N. Last one, sun. Does it start with N? Good listening. Sun starts with S, not N. Time to write our noisy aeroplane letter. Let's do it in the air first. Everyone put your finger up. Go down, up, and over. Again, down, up, over. Say the sound while you write. Wonderful. Now take your worksheet and trace the letter N 3 times. Each time you write, whisper N like an aeroplane. Wow, friends, look at all the sounds we know now. S, A, T, P, I, N. That means we are ready for some real reading magic. Do you want to be word detectives today? Great! First, let's practice blending. Watch me. I'll say the sounds slowly. P, A, N. When we put them together, what word do we get? Yes! Fantastic! Now your turn. I'll give you sounds and you blend. Ready? S, A, T. Brilliant! Sat! You're blending like superheroes. Now it's game time. Word detective. I'll show you 3 pictures. Listen carefully to the sounds I say and point to the right picture. First one. P-I-G. Yes, pig. Clever detectives. You solved it. Next one. T-A-P. Wow, tap. You got it. Another clue solved. Last one. N-I-P. Excellent. Nip. You are true word detectives. Today, you didn't just learn sounds, you read real words. That makes you a super reader. High five, everyone. All right, heroes, it's time for our phonics mission worksheet. Are you ready? First mission, the sound detective game. Look at your worksheet. Do you see lots of pictures? Good. Now, circle the pictures that start with P. Say the sound while you circle. P, P, P. What can you find? Amazing detectives! You caught the P pictures. Next mission, circle the pictures that start with I. Say it with me. I, I. which ones are hiding there? Brilliant! You spotted them! Final mission, the noisy aeroplane. Find pictures that start with N. Say it while you circle. N, N, N. Perfect landing, pilots! Now, let's train our writing superpowers. Take your finger in the air first. Say pa, 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 while you trace pa. Say I, while you trace I. Say n, while you trace n. Excellent! Now try on your worksheet. Remember, say the sound every time you trace. Time for our final challenge. Who remembers the 3 sounds we learned today? Yes! You are super phonics heroes! Let's clap for ourselves. 3 super claps. Wow, my phonics stars, you did amazing today. Before we go, let's do our goodbye actions together. Ready? First, let's be popcorn. Hands in front of you like popcorn kernels and pop, pop, pop. Say it with me. Pop, pop, pop. The popcorn is jumping everywhere. Careful, don't let it fall on the floor. Now, an insect is crawling on your hand. What do we say? Shake it off, quick. It. Excellent. You scared the insect away. And finally, let's turn into aeroplanes. Stretch your arms wide, fly around the room, and say, Beautiful flying. I can see so many aeroplanes in the sky. Don't crash into each other. Okay, pilots, land your planes and sit back down. Time for our special goodbye. When I count to 3, wave your hands and shout, "Bye, teacher," as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, that was the loudest goodbye ever. You are phonics champions. I'll see you next class for even more phonics fun.